Okay, it looks like we're live, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on KanoScript. Okay, so now I'm not going to be working on KanoScript, I'm going to be working on the game, right, written in KanoScript. So hopefully you don't run into, well, okay, it would be good probably if we ran into some issues, because I want to fix issues, but it'd also be good if we didn't, you know. Right, there's sort of, yeah, anyway, so I'm going to sort of work on it, right, so I have the game, especially the game, this one. So I'm going to move some of the stuff over that I was working on last stream. Basically I fixed it because there was an issue with floats, or any data type that wasn't an integer, that was improperly interpreted, when it was part of a structure. So yeah, I can use rectangles now, basically, is what that means. So, did I update this already? Rectangle rect, and we can just pass the player, no, we have to make it a rectangle. Hey Tim, how you doing? What is up? Thanks. No, not Y. And let's see, what else? So, yeah, we just need player. Player equals. Alright, so the position first, that'd be 0, 0. And then the size. There we go. Doing good. I am doing good as well. And hello, Texan. What is up? Been a while. Okay, so that should be it, pretty much. And I'm missing it. 45. Oh, I see. Okay. Type. Hello, Pra. How you doing? How is everybody? X and Y. We have that. Ooh, we need speed to be a float. That's okay. Oh, and we don't have player. It's called rectangle. Sorry. We probably should add player, but for now I just do rectangle. And the rectangle can be in the player struct. Especially it's not next type. Oh yeah, there's sort of a lot of types. Oh yeah, right here, I suppose. And also in the rectangle, it needs to be explicitly made to be a decimal. Yeah, a float, right? Unexpected token. The line numbers aren't always correct, so it might not be there. Oh yeah, right here. That is wrong. Okay, and there we go. And we can move around. Alright, so that is good. Alright. Very cool. Yeah, so we can use rectangles and other structs. Should work better now. We don't really need the vector 2 at the moment, so I'll get rid of it. And yeah, so I think, let's see, I might want to do the camera. I'm going to put another rectangle in here, and that'll sort of be, so we have a reference, right? Hope for an Emacs stream. Maybe I'll get to that, but I don't want to right now, so I'm not going to do it. But yeah, I'll probably go through and maybe customize it just a little bit. I still want to do mostly just the default stuff. But, you know, customize, like I have, the only thing I've customized really, I can open it up. Emacs stream. It's dark mode. That's all I've done. Got prescribed antidepressants you can't afford. Dang. Well, that is not good. American for real. Yeah, so I'll draw that right there. American is fine, yeah. For real. Obstacle can be the same size as the plane. No, it's still like that. This one. So, let's go. Well, we'll put it, I guess, in the middle, right? I don't know if that's gonna work, actually. Yeah, because it's a... Is that, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll just put it 50, 50, I guess. And let's run that. And that's not right. Because it needs to be 0.0. Okay, yeah, so now we have that there. I'll put it farther down. And there we go. Yeah, and then I'll set up the camera. So I'm not sure exactly how to do that. It's not really something I've done before. So I don't exactly know how it all works. So this uses a camera, so that might be helpful. Let's see. So we need to create the camera struct, first of all. Okay. Camera. So actually, let me look at the camera. Camera 2D. Yeah. Okay, right here. So, we do need vector 2 to get this. So I'm going to see how this works, right? I haven't done much with structs referencing other structs, so I'm not sure how much it will. And we don't need to type that, so that's not. We have that, and so we have, yes, this will be vector 2, so it'll be x and y. So I did that wrong. So, and then we can do struct camera. Started working on a chat. Ooh, okay. Start. Let's see. It's like you have a server and then like a chat, like sort of like a chat room kind of thing. Let's see. Schwartz. Plain TCP. Okay, okay. All right, pretty cool. You see CMake for real, for real. CMake. All right, this could be pretty cool. Pretty cool to use. Yes, you better apologize for that. Unacceptable. 10% CMake. Oh yeah, pretty cool. I will keep an eye on that, right, as you continue to develop it. Yes, as well. That's not how you do that. 500 more points and I have to push-ups. Okay. Ready for it. So we need the offset. Alright, so I'm gonna see how this works, right? I'm not sure if I've really done it. And then target. Two. Location is flip. And zoom is flip as well. Okay. And let's see if that compiles. Alright, you don't put that with one of those. There you go. And it did load and compile, so hopefully it does. JS, yeah, gotta spam JS. It's gotta be the top emote. Okay, and then yeah, so we can go to the camera stuff. So what are the functions used for that? So we initialize the camera, right? What do we do then? Yeah, so create a camera. 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 And yeah, we can just set it all to 0. And that should work. Will it recognize that? Yeah, so it wants it to be a vector 2. So I should be able to do like this, right? You have to do it kind of specific. Is it types? Yeah, that works. Alright. So that was 0 initialize the whole thing. This we can just allocate it as well. And let's see. So we can set the target equal to one of those. Equals the player.x plus, so y plus 20. So what if I just set it to player, right? I do that. That might not work. We don't really have casting. So I might need to declare it separately and set it like that, but we'll see. It's a bit limited, the language. Offset. I'm just going to set that to 0 for now. I'll see. And then, oops, camera location can be 0, so I can set the same. Camera.zoom equals 1.0. Alright, let's see if that works. So I think we have to do other stuff with the... Yeah, so we have to update it continuously. Xcode. Does anyone like Xcode at all? Even like Apple people don't. So if I do that, I'm gonna label that. So that doesn't. Oh yeah, but you don't do that. That's not. Speed reference for a second. Where do we reference speed? Ooh, that can be a problem. Did I? It's something to do with this. Put it up here. These ones. So I got a little. Oh shoot. Yeah. I need to read this one there. It crashed, but it doesn't. Remember. Okay, so now we have some issues. What the heck? Unvariable player. Why is it unknown? Because we create the player here. Is something to do with that? You only use Xcode because they were forced to do so, yeah. So it's, I don't know, why is that? It was an assertion too, so it wasn't, I'm not supposed to have that happen. It's very strange. Same thing. Why does it say it's weapons for assignment? Right, what if we set that in here? Will that work? Why does it say it? About the speed? What line is it saying? 58. Yeah, so I think it's something on this line. So why doesn't it recognize this? Just declaring this got rid of speed. That's very weird. What? What? There's something to do with this. Setting that, perhaps. Let me try. Now we said, okay. Yeah, so there's some issues. There's some issues, it seems. Something to do with structs, I would assume. Let's see with this. If I allocate the proper size, so what is it? So that's gonna be 8. So that's 8, 16. Alright, 24. Same thing as well. Alright, let's see, perhaps we'll get some things. Right there. Okay. So we can go to this line. 1137 front end C. Let's see. Alright, so this one. We're iterating over the structures. Let me check the type. So the field is invalid. Alright, let me break on 1136. And run it again, yes. And let's go here and click I and continue through. Right, I want to see, is it this here? No. Continue. So we're on the second one now. Alright, continue, and the third one. And the third one is where it fits. Alright, so we can do that. So we continue, and now we're here. So click I. I is that. Click X for value. Cannot access that. Interesting. Count is greater than the capacity. That's not good. How did that happen? Structure. See, that's right. So the camera 2D has created. All right, so it's probably to do with referencing structs, right? Every two. How you doing, Stan? What is up? All right, so I think yeah, it has to do with the structs referencing. But why would that be? So let me look at sort of how that's parsed. Let's go every expert, not expert, but instead struct. It's called. Alright, so this is where we parse it all. So let's see. Every one, every four, every count. Oh, every one, every two. I see, I see. So we parse that. So after we should look at this and take. Alright, so it's the. Let's go to game. Okay. So it's the fourth struct that we parse, where the issues occur, right? And we iterate all the arguments there. Alright, so let me try that. Let's break it. 37. And run on this one. So it's gonna be the third one, right? Second one. What? Oh, 1247. Okay, now we're here. So we'll continue, and this one is where it's gonna be. So print that main token should be camera 2D, yes. Symbol, yes, we set up the symbol and all that. And then like R, let's look at that. So that's a lot of stuff actually. So we append the argument there. So print r dot data type. Yeah. Print r dot type. So it's a variable declaration, right? So that is print r dot structure. Structure. Right, so I don't remember exactly the layout. It'll be 512, yes. Let me look at this parse variable declaration. Right? So how does that say that? So the variable, so value.var, yeah, let's actually look at that. Value.var. No. Oh, no, print value.var, my bad. Alright, this is what we have. So we have offset, length is 6, so that's the size of that. It's a vector 2, is that, and we don't have the, alright, so it's type pointer, that's what it's considered. Right. Okay. So why does it not work, right? We have that. And what is the issue with that? I'm gonna go back. So I can't really change stuff here, but I want to look at it as well. It's not where it is. And yeah, right here. No, hang on. So where was the place that it failed? I like the, well, it's sort of, it's really more like calc, but yeah. Because it's just here initialized by default. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, so where was it failing at? So that is 11th in the second. Okay, so this is where we're at. We take the types, but it's here where it fails. So we get the value from that. Right, so this is from getting the structure. Values, and the values are what we have here. Yeah, so where is that? So that's actually, okay, this is a different place. So that's when we, not when we're creating the struct, but when we are, not when we're defining the struct, but when we're creating it, right? So that is what we have to show it. Get structure. Alright. So we're going to look at get structure. So I don't think that's the issue, right? I think we're fine here. This returns from there and it returns structure. Alright, so that should be fine. Because we have that. So why did it fail? Top 10 jokes. can't reset it equal to that. I don't know why I do it like that exactly, but so right. Why do I do that? Are we replacing it? Wait. Okay, I don't know exactly what I'm doing here, but I'll come back to that. So we set that up. And then let me think. So we're parsing the actual. So that's an expression that we parse. Yeah, we get the expression. Yes, this is just comparing to the structure. So it's really this parse expression that we have the issue with. So let's go to it's in parse primary. I'm going to expert struct, right? So we parse the struct. And there must be an issue in here. We append that expression. So this is something to do with let's look at this, right? Let's pick here. It's gonna be the third. So 782. We push up now. Whenever. Okay, see, so what was it? 782. Okay, not probably later. Okay. Just gotta save them up and do like 50 at once. Obviously don't actually do that. Done with the bug. That might take the rest of the stream. Okay, let's see. So we're here, and let's see what the, I don't know what it is, right? So we might go here a few times. Okay, so we have Alex. This is allocating, right? So that's fine. So it's probably going to be the next one. So this is, if I go here, and open it again. Right, so that is this first one that we do here. So that's, actually it's going to be this one. So what is that? Type. So the type is type float. Okay. So yeah, it's probably these, right? And then we fail. Okay. So yeah, let's start over. Yeah, so we go through the whole thing. So print okay now. Print only 400 more. And just gonna kill me. So it's not a float. Right. So if we continue to the next one. Yeah, let me think. So we have this one. So it should be continue the next one. Continue. Now okay, open. We have like integer of 50. Okay, what? Oh no, it's float literal. And it's 50. Okay. So that's gonna be this one, the obstacles. Continue. And then why does it fail there? So it doesn't actually parse that as this. Is it because I set it like this? No, because it's here. Is it here where it's segmenting there? Probably this. And then running again. And then I can redeem it as well. I can redeem it infinite amounts of time. So okay, loading through all the stuff. So does it load it? And then it's seg files. Okay, so where does it seg file? In run instructions. Okay, so it's an issue with that. Okay, so run instructions, and what is that? 6? Is that what it was? Okay, so it's in this one. In the right. Yeah. Okay, so it has an issue right now. So we can let's see. So, shoot. All right, let's bake on 920. I think is gonna do. Yeah, so that'll be good enough. Right there, and then we'll run again. Yes. And let's see what the size is. Let's see what the data is. This data running 0. So I don't think that fails. Continue to the next one. Print size. Data. Okay, let's continue. Size. Print data. Okay, so the data that we're writing is 50. Yeah, so this should be fine. So it's going to be a few that are fine. Data. So this is a double. Editing, yeah. Editing Tim, yes. This is a float. Let's see, float 500, which is where? What is that? I don't have it open. Hang on. 500. Okay, so it must be this. So the next one should be 50, right? 50, yeah. And then the next one should be 50 as well. Yeah. All right. So the next one, I think, is probably what's gonna fail. 0 and that. Maybe not. Is it fail? No. Okay. So continue, and now we're. So it's gonna be this one. Where is it gonna write the rest of? StamRS. Doesn't even load. Dang. Best website. Okay. Print data. Okay. So this is probably what it shoots. 64. Why is it that? Right, it's 64, and this I'm assuming is perhaps the issue? No, alright, so that still works. So I don't know why it was running 64, but what was that for? Is it, oh, it's probably the size of something. No, what would be, nothing should be 64, so I don't know what that's about. Not there. Alright, well that's not as U8. Alright, so a U8, 144. Where's that 4 though? The size is 8. Which is dumb, yep. My honest reaction. Okay. Let's see, so 8, we're running 8, but it's 144. That's where it failed. Okay. So yeah, where does that come from? You know? And it's not a float or a double. It's not. And the pointer was not right. So ConJS, I'm good. The rock? It's that right? Alright, that's where it failed, but why does it fail there? Where does it come from? I'm not sure. But it obviously has to do with referencing other structs. Something to do with that. Like, doesn't know the size? Is that what it is? Could that be it? Well, if we just write the pointer, it should be fine. Clip it. Right, so what if I go through and initialize the whole thing? You know, so we have that. We have 0.0 for that one as well. And the offset, yeah, so the offset is initialized there, and then we'll have 0.0, and we'll have 1.0. What if I do that? Whatever. No, alright, so that doesn't work either, so it's the same thing. Yeah, and so I should probably make a cat. And I'll just delete all this because I don't know. Okay, so I'll make a test, and this will just have a float. And then I'll make a new, and this will have test. And then I will try to initialize that. So new equals 0. And now let's exit with new. Okay, so I don't know that we can actually parse this because that doesn't quite work. Because I need to include the parsing of that. Yeah, I'm gonna. There's also no bytes, so what's that? Yeah, I want a comma there. Yeah, so it doesn't like this. So that's not gonna quite work exactly. Stack underflow. Interesting. Is it stack underflow? Let's try that. Let's make it an integer array. So it does that. Stack underflow. Why does that happen? That is concerning. Do I not check the boundaries actually in here? Well, let me pop it off. So all the boundaries do get checked. What if I set this to 0? Right, then it's set. So that is close. Right, so this is what the issue is. It is referencing other structs. Creates an issue. So that is what I'm going to have to fix. I'm gonna be right back though. Yeah, give me like 3 minutes, and I will be back. And then I will watch that clip as well. Okay, yeah, 1 sec. Okay. Well, let's see. Built-in text. Oh yeah, it was the program that I wrote. W the what? Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So. Real. Yeah. So this is with this. What if I initialize one of these? So. Go. I put that in here. Then it does not cycle, and it exits with that. So let's change this to 5 seconds. Okay, 5. And what if I? All right. I'm gonna make this an integer as well. Yeah, but that doesn't work, right? We can't parse that. Yeah, we can only go one level deep. Yeah, so it doesn't like that. Yeah, so it's like the pointer. But it doesn't fail, so I'm assuming that works. I think it does, but it doesn't matter either way. So yeah, we can do it like that. I think that's really good, right? Obviously, that's not good, so I need to fix that. But I want to see. So I did something like that, but yeah, we do that for all of them, right? Let's make a. Let's just define all of them. So we have offset and target. So let's do that. 0.0. Let's make the target actually if we can do that. It might not work. And then yeah, the other ones we can set. Right. And then it loaded, but it's set. So that might be offset and target. Is that the right word? Yeah, offset and target. And if I Do not initialize this. Ooh, let's get rid of that. 0 and 1. So it does that. If I try to update it, it doesn't want to work. Yes, we need to at least do it like this. I'm gonna do that. Doesn't work. Is that all you have to do though? What else do you have to call it? Alright, yeah, so I think that's it, right? And the camera just kind of does that. Oh, you have to pass the camera to begin mode 3D. So, begin mode 2D. And it takes what? Takes a camera 2D. Right, and return to it. And here we have end mode 2D. Takes nothing. And return to nothing. Okay, and we just have to call begin and end. So we have the drawing. We put that in there. End mode 2D after we draw those. Right, and that doesn't look quite right. Does it actually? What else do we have? Let's see. So we have the camera in there. If I get rid of this, right? So it doesn't work. What if we change the offset? Yeah, right. So I'm not sure if the player is still visible, you know? Draw the rectangle. We got the player. Yeah, that draws buildings. And draw this. Okay. So don't need this in there. Yeah. So we do have that in there still. Right, I see. So yeah, so the things that go in here are followed by the camera, right? It isn't like that. Let's see. What are the other things? So we have. Let's see. Okay. Offset target. Push-ups. Okay. Okay. Push-ups. No. 10 push-ups, right? Don't have that. Done. There we go. 10. Okay. Done. Yeah, I did them. I'll do claps. Claps next time. Okay. Where's it initialize the camera? Alright, target is that. Yeah, what if we do that? Oh, that's what it is. Okay, it doesn't like that. Hmm. Let's get rid of the opposite again. Patient and zoom. The zoom 0. Mm, I should probably make an equivalent in C to try. Mm-hmm. Oh, set the FPS. I'll set target. Keku. Kek W. Um, Planning was to make actually good videos and start getting notations. Yes. I mean, that video was good, I thought. Mm, offset, yeah. So if we offset by that, that bad. We're gonna have to do hard code though because we don't have the floats. So let's do 19, 20. No, let's float 80, yeah, by 720. Oh, there we go. Type of field X, Y. This I'm assuming, right? So when you divide it, wait, what is, why would that return? It should just return a float, right? Yes, that's where the issue is for sure. Alright, so what is just half that? So I'll need to fix that. Let's do that 600, 300. Right, and if I move this out of this, it's right there. It's a little slow because of the speed. Right, yeah, so being there, it is relative to the camera. Keep listening to it and start realizing, weird accent could become quite catchy. Oh yeah, for sure. I wouldn't say weird, but you know. Mm, so add 20 to it. Hmm. Right. So I'm not sure why it doesn't draw it. Let me see. Can I look at what's that? Begin mode 2D. Begin at, yeah. Mix of New York, British, and Australian. Sprinkle of Russian. W accent for uh hmm. uh if I draw this in here, right? I draw it at same coordinates, it should just How does it, right? How does coordinates into it? Let me see. Like if we look at this, what is it, right here? So it has to be relative to the camera target. I mean, say root and butt and jost. The New York influence. Okay. Yeah, I think I need to fix something. So, I should probably do that. Right? I don't think I'll be able to actually fix this until I fix some things in the machine. Perhaps I should make a C file to try it. Basically the same things. I don't know. Let me try to fix. So the thing I need to fix mostly is this, right? When you reference them and you have to do this. There's an issue when you're defining it like this. Try to do this, it does not work. Okay, we need to use new. Right, yeah, and that causes segment, so it has something to do with that. Scottish accent, yeah, for sure, for sure. Okay, so maybe in the parsing, parsing fine, that's right. Right, so if we look at that, we do or struct. Parse the struct. We do all this, and we parse the expression in there, and we parse the sub expression. Right, so I don't know if it's an issue with the parsing necessarily. Let's see. Right, so it segfaults in the, is it in the virtual machine or the, let me try. Okay, and let's run with, yeah, so it's in there, so it has something to do with the actual virtual machine. Russian accent. You should just change your accent every video. It'd be very confusing. So I don't know that's with the parsing. Let's look at Gen expression and see how that actually works. Gen expression. Yes. Okay. And let's see. So we have expert structure. So we're generating it here. Right? Let's make expert structure. So the count is 2. Sure. Data 0. Is a pointer, right? So that is expected. Probables revealed never. Let's go in here. So does it have something to do with this? Right, so it's when we're writing. So it's this right causes an issue. Because we can't duplicate it, right? Is that what the issue is? Right, because we don't set it up. So if right, okay, yeah, I think that's what it is. So basically, if I can illustrate, when we set it up like this, so we have say this, text. Oh shoot, my camera fell. Hang on. One sec. Bro. Okay, hang on. Is that it? Hang on. Yeah, it's not exactly mounted properly. I need to do that. So it falls sometimes. My bad. So let's see. Yeah, so basically, we initialize it like this. It allocates here, but when we initialize it like this, it's not allocated. So it's trying to duplicate a pointer that it doesn't have. So it can't write into that, right? So we need to allocate it when we encounter this. So I think we can change that in the actual parsing. Let me go. Well, hang on, how do I want to do that? So let's go to expert struct. We need to allocate it here, right? It's like gen alloc. Not this one, actually. In the let's see, what file is this? That's the parsing. Go here. Okay. We can't slot center right now, whatever, that's fine. Okay, in here. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Yeah. I need to mount it properly. Yeah. So in here, if we generate the outlet here, yeah, I don't want to docs. And the state and then the size. So we need to get the size. So let's iterate over this. Get the size from that. So we can do size. Well, I guess we generate the offset like this. Yeah, we'll do that here. So we'll go like this. We'll do the size to size, 0, and then the size plus equals. So this is kind of not super efficient, but it's fine. Data type, like the size of that. Okay, and that would create the size. Then we can pass the size here. Yeah, pretty much that. Let's see if that compiles. Okay, so it's expecting an expression size. So can we have another gen alloc? It's not expected. Gen alloc size. Okay, so that can actually calculate. So we can just do that. So, well, we don't know what it is. Okay, let me look at the gen alloc size. Stam uses JS. Oh shoot. Stam is a JavaScript library? Oh no. I'm thinking it's over. I think it's over. TypeScript and JavaScript. Holy crap. It's over. Ban. Stam. There we go. Banned. Banned forever. Okay. Push the type size. That's not what we want. So let's apply it by that, but we don't want to do that. We just want to have that. So we can do. Oh, okay, we have that. Gen struct out. So we can use that. So I haven't done this before. Okay, so that should work. And that does that. That's gonna create some issues with other things, but we'll get to that. So that. Yeah. So that did that, and then we have X. Oh, it's Y. Yeah, Y. So 5. So that is right. What if I put it before? Let's put it here. X. Six. Okay. So that works, right? We need to allocate. That's what the issue was. Okay. Docs the JS line. JS jokes are funny though. Let's be real. Okay, so if we generate that, let's see. Let me try it on the game now and get rid of this, right? So try to do it right here. It might cause some issues, right? Because I think it's going to allocate more than once for some of them. Oh. Right, it's still not going to work, but... Right, because there's other issues, but it's going to make it a lot easier to work with. Alright, so the rotation. Ooh, okay, I see. That means get rid of that. So it still has this. That is still obviously a problem. Let's kindle here. That gets rid, okay. And if we get rid of these, it works now. Alright, so that is good. And I'm assuming the values are still the same. So I could print them out. Cod jokes win. No, I could end the joke. That would be immoral. Alright, let's try to set now rules and play it out. That doesn't quite work. What if I set a float? Right. X float equals x plus 20.0. So we'll use that. Fine. Yeah, so it doesn't like this when you do two things with floats. What would that be? Addition between those. Let me look at that. So does not, it's not match. Yeah, so I think it's mean the front end. It's not match. Type of field. Type of bar. Yeah, type of the bar right here. So that's what it is. Right, so what is the type, right? We should print out probably both the types, right? Put a new line for this even. Let's see what's going on here. And then a new line for the argument. So we're going to put types and we do that, and then we put the types in there. We do like we have data types. Yeah, we have data types, and we can do data. Yeah, so that'll work. Data type, so we need data, and we need another one, so I'll put it all on a game. Data types. No, the bar, data, 0. I could make a variable for that, I suppose. Okay. Discord prod DM week. What? Alright, now we can get an animation, right? Well, sorry, x types float and int. Okay, so things an integer when you add them. So let's look at add. Right. Why does it think that? No value bar data. So that's the variable, right, that we parse. The data that we parse is the second one. Right, so I can improve that image, but I'll get to that, right? So it's this one. So it is in the parse expression. So let's see, we have the float variable. But the identifier. Let's know with that. And if it's a function, it does that. It has that. Else if it's that. Else if it's a dot. Else if it's a variable. Get the variable. We set the data type to that. So why does the... Oh, shoot. You know what? Oh, wait. Oh, no. So it's one of these, actually. So it's up here. Do not set the data type. Is this wrong? Right, this is where we're actually at. Oh, shoot. DMs. What if I am 69? What the heck? Michael Jackson. What the heck? Tom is 19. No, actually I'm 69. Shoot, don't knock the camera over again. Whoops. Okay. So something here. Let's print the data type. Right, so that's where the issue lies, right? Big issue, for real, for real. 4444444. So is that data types like that? Yes, I am 19, yes. Bang. Okay. Float. So it's float all the way. It's not considered to be a float. Does something overwrite it, perhaps? No. Oh, shoot, but we need to set the... Don't I set that right? Hang on. Ooh, actually, that could be wrong. Okay. Yeah, so here, I think we're actually accessing the wrong thing. So if we parse it, top 10 jokes. Very in humor, but that you gotta do it till it's not funny, and then eventually you keep doing it, and then it's funny again, right? Yeah, so I think this is wrong. So if it's a variable, we want to do it like this. Or no, we don't set the... Yeah, okay, I see what it is. I see what it is. Hang on. Here, we set the entire... We do set it. Hang on. Expert data. Yeah, hang on. What the heck? Okay, let me actually... Yeah, so it should be that. So I think it's an issue with this. So let's instead, let's set the expression. Let's do expert equals parse expert, right? Do that and set that to here. And then here we can just use expert data type. Let's see how that works. I use PHP. Well, PHP is not that bad. I mean, come on. Better than JS for sure. Shoot. Is the string might be that? Yeah, it's still int. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Data type. Expert data type. Safe and modern home for the web. What the heck? OpenJS? What the heck? For the programming at 12 years old. Yeah, so for some reason int when it returns from it. So did not parse it correctly. Actually, if there's something else, hang on. So it is that. Oh, but then it does the other side as well. So is that a thing? So it calls it again. See newsletter. Interesting. Right, so it's sort of like check things so I can get an idea of what it looks like. Here, we can actually do that. Alright, here, float, int. Yeah, so it is float. Then the other side is an int. So, why is it though? Data type is type float. So that should be okay. What age did you meet Stan? 27. What age did you start counting your age? -3. I'm getting kind of confused now with the chat. Okay. We said that, and then parse expression 1. So we get this here. So we parse that. We check the types, right? We set the type. The type is that, but the data. So we set the data type equals inside dot data. Right, I'll do that. Error. Okay. That is unhinged for real, for real. Okay. Okay. There we go. So that was the issue. So we're setting that problem. So that's probably causing a lot of other issues as well. So that now we can set that, and we can actually use this. It still doesn't work, right? But you know. So this should work now. Right, yeah, we don't have to print it out each time either. It's like here, and then there and here. Alright, that should get rid of those. Panel details. Panel details. It's not real. Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't work, but close enough. So is there something with the movement? Perhaps it is incorrect. So we check it here. Where is that? So yeah, we just add to that. We set the target like that. We add 20 to it. And the target's right? So 2D. I gotta try it again. Okay, camera 2D. I'm developing all the tools. Stable. 2D. Offset and target. So offset is first, then the target. Offset, then target. Offset, then target. So let's change the offset to 0. Set it to 50. It should be on the screen. I don't quite understand. Let me actually think about that though. So I fix issues with structures. And then database. Okay, what's that? Not too much, but some. So okay. Right, maybe I should make it easy because I'm not sure. Right, I could be doing something wrong. Does this need to be one? No. And what do we set the all the stuff? Hang on, let's go back in here. So draw lines, that doesn't really work. Draw the rectangle. What is this? Dark click. Like what? Oh, that's this big. Okay, I see. So camera zoom. Yeah, so the zoom, that doesn't matter right now. No resets it, that's fine. Do this. We set the target. Screen width divided by screen height. Yeah, I really need a way to cast. Because someone could use this, you know? We could use the width and height. Can I gonna do this, you know? Say to okay, and do this. It's not necessarily ideal. And then we can use that here instead. Instead, f divided by 2 and f divided by 2.0, okay. Yeah, it needs to be set to float. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, so that doesn't change anything with that. That's the offset that we're setting. It doesn't change anything, right? Okay. Stand doxed? Oh shoot. Oh shoot, gotta check this out. Okay. Let's see. Big if true. Hang on. Chilling. Oh shoot. Right here. Bam. It's over. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, the camera's not very good. Anyway. That's fine. So, is there something I am missing? Draw all that. That's fine. Rotation 0. Right. Camera rotation. Rotation is first. Zoom is second. Zoom is 1. I'm trying to get like the same thing. If we put the player in the middle, you know? Right. 2. Okay. Right. Set the offset to that as well. Oh. Nope. Okay, that doesn't work. It doesn't work either. That's 10. I don't understand exactly. Oh, you buy one, go to bed. Nice. Have a good one. See ya, mine fondly. W. Shoot. Shoot. Right, what if I move this out here? One more interest in the Bible? Nice. Are you still on Genesis? So that's there. You could read W. So that works, right? Place it in the middle. Yes, you are. All right, nice. I think the most interesting of the at least for me, right, is about David, which you don't get to till that's quite a bit later. But yeah, I thought that was quite interesting. That's in the book of Samuel. Okay. There's something with this. Did this not update properly? Just to start. Get rid of that. Don't have religion. Cherry bean stock. Interesting. Uh, okay. This is, yeah, I'm gonna make a C file and basically replicate. So let me copy just the open game. Where is it? Game.kno, and just copy all that into game.c. Where is, we have game.c. Let's go right here, go here. Now we have game.c. Okay, paste all that. And then, yeah, so we don't need any of this stuff. We do need to include some stuff. So we need to include railway.h and include Zoroastrian. I cannot pronounce that. Oh, Iranian religion. Interesting. I've not heard of that before. Okay, we do that. And we have this. We don't need to do any of that either. We do need this. But we do not find out exactly. Let's do int. This actually has to go in. Well, that can be global. We don't need this. Don't need this stuff. We'll just use the built-in regular stuff. Yeah, this and the it's not very much here, actually. Yeah, you need to be functions with semicolons, okay. Alright, bye. Have a good one. Have a good night. Stand. He doesn't go. Yeah, so the color's something right. It's red. Is that, how is it called? Color. Yeah, just red. Okay, so that'll work. Red, I'll make this one white, and we do this. I want it to be black. In this room, yeah, I do have to go in a minute, so I'm going to end pretty soon. Okay, let's see. So we have all that. Drawing. That one is end here. This needs to be on its not close. Right. And set target FPS, that needs to be this. And then window. Two. All that stuff. That should be fine, I think. And it's gonna be full speed. Rectangle obstacle. Play. Okay, and let's go here. And just do upgraded. Game.c. Some stuff. It says there's some of those. Let's try that out. With F. Yeah, you can up here as well. That's not right. Semicolons. This needs to be like this as well. And here. There we go. Okay. Let's try. In node 2D, where was it? Right here. Okay, and let's try. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So it doesn't work either. All right. Interesting. So I did something wrong. Something wrong here. Let's maybe put in. Oh, let's update the target. Let's do equals. It's plus 10. Yeah, right. Update that. Oops. Needs to be casted. Yeah, casted to a target. On a target. A vector. Yeah, so it doesn't work. Okay. Why? Why indeed? Can I explain out why after we update it? Let's try this kind of stuff. I'll copy it. It's not gonna work super well, but I guess it did kind of work. Okay. I got X, let's put that. I'll make the F there because I guess it's supposed to be or whatever, but you know. Is something with that? I don't think so. Yeah, screen height doesn't do this, which is width and height. Okay. And semicolon there. Yeah, so that doesn't work either. Right. So is this with the player? 400 to 80. So that's like half. So that should be fine. So fine. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Nope. Nope. Yeah, so we had to call a net window first. I don't think that would be a thing. Yeah, okay. No. See, I don't have enough experience with Rayleigh. Player. Set up the player. Size should be fine. That. Hmm. The player, yeah, it should be always in the middle. Camera target and offset. Camera rotation. Camera zoom. Yeah, we do plus 20 there, but I don't think that matters too much. Player X. What is do target and play? C. X. Target dot Y. X and player dot Y. Right, how do they compare? CD's not got them. For real, for real. It's over. It is a joke. Target's on the, oh yeah, camera dot. So it prints it out. It does change. I can't see it. Ooh, is this something to do with the color? Do you have to clear the background first? Is that what it is, actually? Okay. It's kind of close, actually. That did something for sure. If I go back here, and we clear the background here, try to run that. Yeah, it doesn't follow me. Oh yeah, we don't update it. So let's do camera.target equals. If I do just that, what if I do less? What? Camera target. We update it each time. Seem to be. It goes out of bounds. We can't see it anymore. And it goes that way. What did it? It doesn't follow it though. 50 more points. How long does it take to earn points? I'll probably end the stream before, so we'll have to do it next time. Right, so this kind of moves with it. It doesn't do that here. It's probably because I haven't seen it in here. So let me try that. No. How long does it take to earn points? I don't know actually. We divided by 2. That's what we have in here. Zero and 1. Yeah, so that. Why is it different? Cross the time way? No. What's the difference in that? Create a 2 equals x plus a dot y. Let's try to use that. See, it doesn't update the same, so that is unfortunate. It might have to do with actually. That could be a problem. Right. So clear the target first, and then update it. You know. But it could be due to this issue that I haven't fixed yet. Make you the main character of the game? Yes, I will do that for sure. I'm thinking I'll take whatever profile you have at the time that I actually get to that point, and then I'll use that as the character. Yeah, that could be cool. It can be called like Adventures of Bra, something like that. See that? No, that's right. So this has basically the issue in here. Yeah, this one. So it has to do with variable declarations and things like that when you're outside of a function, because there's not a function. Adventures of Bra. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. I don't even know that we have to update that really. But frick, the bot went down. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't say much there. Basically, I'm just working on game development in my own language. Having some issues, right? I'm using Raylib, linking with Raylib, and then calling the functions. Basically, is what the idea is. The actual code for the game is not up on the GitHub yet because it's still in very early stages. Yeah, I'm actually about to end, so bad time. But okay. Yeah, I do have to go. But I have to. I gotta go for real. How many more points do you need? Or has it not been enough time to end? Oh, dang, it's gonna take a while. But doesn't move the doesn't move this. But it should, right? It should be in the background. Is that not? Well, yeah, I guess the buildings, I guess they are drawn like that. So, we do have to do that. 2438. Rip. I'm gonna have to do it next time. I gotta go. For real. For real. Let's move it in here. Okay, that should move. Yeah, there we go. So that's what I want. Yeah, and then this is drawn outside. So that makes sense. It still doesn't look here. It doesn't like move with it, you know? I can't see anything about what the heck. What? Product texture? Yeah, yeah, for sure. Gonna need it. Okay. Yeah, I really do have to go. I don't get this doesn't really go. Yeah. Alright, yeah, see ya. I think it's up to date. Yeah. Yeah, so I do apologize I have to go. Hopefully you can get this working next stream. So there might be a few issues that I will work on. So I'm not sure. It might be another game development stream, or it might be a Kano script working on actual code stream. Either way. Yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.